How to fix Snapchat notification not appearing. If your Snapchat notification have gone ghost on you, you could try these steps to get them back. First of all, you want to launch open Snapchat. Press open the Bitmoji from the top left, go to the settings icon, after which go to notification, and here you just want to make sure to toggle the notification or enable the notifications as well. Once you've done this, for a specific friend, you could also go to manage story notification to ensure that they aren't mute as well. So for this, you just want to go ahead and open up the chat page here, and you just want to go ahead and select the person or the contact just like this, and over here you have these chats and notification settings. You want to make sure to toggle the notification settings and make sure that you're not mute as well. So this way you're supposed to fix notification for Snapchat. If this should still persist on, you could go to settings as well and locate apps, locate Snapchat, go to notification, and make sure that all these informations or all these buttons are toggled on. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.